Looking for a spicy, flavorful side to brighten up your dinner? Turn to Bang Bang Cauliflower. It's a delicious veg appetizer. It's spicy, sweet, and incredibly easy to make. And the best part of my recipe is it's gluten-free and air-fried. Soak cauliflower florets in hot water for 10 minutes and then rinse. Now in a bowl, take rice flour, oats flour, garlic powder, red chili powder, salt, pepper, combine, add water and make a medium thick consistency batter. Add the cauliflower and coat it well. Now add panko breadcrumbs and coat it again. Sprinkle some oil and air fry till crisp. Just hear the crunch. The homemade Bang Bang sauce, whisk, mayo, sriracha sauce, tomato ketchup, onion greens and sesame seeds. Toss the air-fried cauliflower in the Bang Bang sauce and serve with green onions, sriracha sauce and sesame seeds on the top and enjoy.